Have you also heard those stories about your parents going to school via river, mountains, and whatnot? That just made us think that The Odyssey is the perfect movie to describe their struggle. If yes, then you know that your parents have been using one poetic device, and that is hyperbole in American English and hyperbole in British English. खैर हम hyperbole से ही काम चला लेते हैं, the Indian English. So let us look at the screen and try to understand the poetic devices in consideration. Welcome to session 4 of poetic devices, learning them in a fun manner. Exaggeration, जिसे हम कहते हैं अतिशोक्ति अलंकार in Hindi. The other one is litotes in British as well as American because there is no R in it. In contrast, litotes is the quiet cousin. It's the non-expressive. Look at the screen. I mean, pretty much evident. Have you been a victim to this kind of scenario wherein your mom calls you and tells you, okay, I've called you 1,000 times and you see only 3 missed calls on your phone? Well, frankly speaking, उस टाइम ये समझ नहीं आता कि मम्मी की मैथ्स वीक है या इंग्लिश स्ट्रॉन्ग है. Or your father's reaction to your 100% score by saying, not bad. Well, if you have been in such situations, you have been a victim of two poetic devices that we know as hyperbole. The other one is litotes in British as well as American because there is no R in it. So let's move forward with the session. As I gave you the examples, every Indian household is a poet because they have been using either hyperbole or litotes. जैसी भी पर्सनालिटीज हो, exaggeration वाली या settling down वाली, minimization वाली, whatsoever it is, every Indian household is a poet. In the first section of the video, let us look at hyperbole. Hyperbole is deliberate exaggeration, जिसे हम कहते हैं अतिशोक्ति अलंकार in Hindi, वही होता है hyperbole. So you exaggerate, बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना है, right? The rule, it is not meant to be taken literally. So of course, if your mother says that I've called you 1,000,000 times or 1,000 times, she did not call you 1,000,000 times, 1,000 times. There were only 3 missed calls, right? Remember? But that she meant as a sort of exaggeration. Then the goal is to create emphasis, humor, emotion, or dramatic effect. Mothers, the drama. Did your teacher actually explain 1,000,000 times? No. Then why say it? To emphasize the fact, the feeling that I've already explained it 1,000,000 times. Why don't you just understand? Just understand it and get away with it, right? Look at these examples. What is the reality? Lunch was only hours ago and you say, I'm starving. Waited only 10 minutes and have been waiting forever. Forever. A few hundred people were there and there were millions of people. अभी जंतर मंतर वाला प्रोटेस्ट वाले में मेरे को लगता है उल्टा सिचुएशन थी. Then a heavy backpack. It weighs a ton. Cannot possibly weigh a ton. Cannot possibly weigh a ton. Right? So hyperbole is like this balloon. You fill it with air. You just exaggerate everything. Okay? Everything becomes bigger. And that is why the bright screen, the bright colors, everything bright, everything bigger, everything exaggerated is hyperbole. In contrast, litotes is the quiet cousin. He doesn't speak much, he doesn't say much. It just represents the thing very quietly. Gives you compliment in a very subtle manner. And that too negative formation में. That too negative formation में. Litotes, positive idea while negative expression. Remember your father's reaction to your 100% score, not bad. What did he actually mean? That's actually good. But he made it really subtle. He minimized the effect. In contrast to your mother, who exaggerated it, he minimized the effect, right? Saying something positive in softer way by using a negative expression creates emphasis through understatement. The correct word, the key word here that you need to remember is understatement. That you understate the things so that it loses the effect. For example, the task is not impossible. We are implying that it is possible. Or it isn't unfriendly, referring to a dog. That it isn't unfriendly. That means it is friendly. So a positive comment by making a negative statement. So look at the contrast. Hyperbole, the bright cousin, the exaggerated version of everything, makes things bigger, exaggerates them, strong emotion. For example, I'm dying, right? Lie to tease makes things smaller. It understates, minimizes the effect. Soft expression, just like not bad of your father. बहुत ही कम reaction. एकदम नॉन एक्सप्रेसिव टाइप्स. Look at the screen. I mean, pretty much evident. Bright, very subtle. How will you identify? Is the speaker making something huge? If yes, then it is hyperbole. If the speaker is expressing something positively by understating it, then of course it is lie to tease. So how to differentiate between these two poetic devices? Pretty easy. Whenever you have hyperbole in consideration, think of a balloon, exaggerating everything, filling it with air, right? And when you think of lie to tease, think of a volume bar. So you're minimizing the sound. You're just understating everything. Again, look at the examples. Your mother says, I've called you 1,000 times. Couldn't possibly call 1,000 times, right? So that's hyperbole. Your father tastes your food and says, not bad, when it was really delicious. So that is lie to tease. As I said in the beginning of the video, your parents have been teaching you poetic devices since childhood, but they did not just name it, and today you have learned to name them and identify them. This brings us to the end of the session where we tried to learn the difference between hyperbole and lie to tease and tried to understand their real life application. If you liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel Fit the Lit, and share the video with your friends as much as you can. They also deserve to learn with good quality content. See you in the next video. Keep updating yourself with the playlist Poetic Device, where we are learning poetic devices in fun manner.